In last part 7, I have discussed the Graham ratios and everything, but here also I am going to discuss what is the CO by CO2 ratio when we are going to detect fire or a combustion situation. Okay, so if you want this type of video, you must go through the description link of this video. You will get everything, and you will get the regarding the mind ventilation, regarding everything, and you will concept your clear. And you know, for the same, you have to have with your comment in the comment box, I want this type of comment, and so that it can be improved more, and I will doubt probably I will clear your doubt. Okay, and the most important thing is this, that you must be aware about that you are in your exam and you will get this type of question, right, a CO by CO2 ratio as well as the gram ratios problem, and you will get a full marks in the problem, as because that is a critical, not a critical problem, but that is also almost to be critical if you have not practiced in the copy. Okay, so please note down this type of thing, and if you want the visit of an underground coal mine, then you can go through this description link video, you will get everything. And from that underground coal mine, if you want that safety technology and the ventilation, then also you will get all everything. So description link is also hereby given. Okay, so this ratio CO by CO2 of products of combustion may be considered to attain an equilibrium in a particular combustion situation, and it indicates the completeness of the combustion or oxidation. And the value of this ratio is, if it is more than 2%, it indicates the active fire, and if the value of the ratio equal or more than 13, so it indicates a blazing fire. Okay, so it is however subject to the variation of carbon monoxide and the carbon dioxide that are not caused by fire. You always remember of that. And limitations are chances of appearances of black damp and the disappearance of CO2 dissolution in water in mine. Okay, so normal gas behavior of sealed area, this is increasing trend of CO2 with decreasing trend of O2. Then the monitoring location may be considered as representative and dependably the monitoring points. So you know, that is the most important thing, and that from that you will get this type of ratio. And I also told that I will tell that Jones and Ticket ratio is the most important thing, and I am coming to that ratio. And before that, I want to discuss that normal gas behavior of a sealed area, there is an increasing trend of CO2 and decreasing trend of O2. As I told in the first or second video, in both video I told that if it is oxygen percentage is more than 12%, it will be a explosive mixture, as because CH4 is there, and you will get a explosive mixture. But if it is a decreasing trend of O2, that should not be a explosive, and there is no chances of fire and no chances of explode that closed system. So you must go through that. Here I am going to discuss the Jones and Trickett ratio first of all, and again what I am telling you, that generally the CO and CO2 ratio is a more sensitive indicator than CO by O2 ratio. I told in the Graham's ratio for determining the state of the coal mine fire, since the former is more representative, as because that is the most important thing nowadays, as because I told that everything is the increasing, and you know, that is the most important know is that technical know-how, that how to be a more safe mines and how to create your mine safe. So this is the most important thing, and you know that nowadays it is the most important, and that is the thing is this, so that you can get the problem first. Okay, so no problem will be created. So this is the thing, and that is the basically this is the Morris ratio, CO by O2 ratio, that is the 1 by Morris ratio is the more sensitive indicator, and you know that is the most important thing. And however, that CO by O2, this is the basically that is CO produced by oxygen deficiency or oxygen absorbed, you can tell del O2. So this is widely accepted, as because you will get the formula and you will get directly from the Graham's ratio. So that is widely accepted. But one thing is record, that Jones and Ticket ratio is the indicator the type of fuel in a fire or explosion. So the ratio is CO2 plus 0.75 CO minus 0.25 H2 divided by del O2. Del O2 means 0.265 N2 minus O2. Okay. So in last video I told so many things regarding the Grams ratio. You can get that point, that what is del O2. Del O2 is basically 0.265 N2 minus O2. Okay. So you must know that, and you know that is the determining whether methane or coal dust explosion has been involved in a mine explosion. So the value ranges between 0.4 to 0.5 if methane is involved, 0.5 to 1.0 for coal, oil, conveyor belt, and 0.9 to 1.6 for timber. It is an indication of extinguishment and greatly reduced coal temperature, and if the value is less than 0.5. And Jones and Trickett ratio means if it is 0.5 then fire damp explosion called, 0.87 it is coal dust explosion called, and 0.5 to 0.87 is the mixed explosion, and less than 0.4 is the fire. So I mean repeat that if it is less than 0.4 then it is fire, if it is 0.5 then it is fire damp explosion, if it is 0.5 to 0.87 if it is a mixed explosion, and if it is 0.87 then that is coal dust explosion. Okay, so you must note my point. So thank you, and you know first the Jones and Trickett ratio. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the further notification, and must go through the description link videos. You will get understand everything regarding mine ventilation. And if you want to visit the underground coal mine, as well as if you want to visit the underground coal mine safety, ventilation, and as well as the technology, as well as the loading operation by LSD and belt conveyor, if you want to see, then also go to this video's description link so that you can get everything. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.